When Ozharvest said they were doing a campaign about reducing food wastage, the first thing that came to mind was this bread salad. I have this regularly. It is one of my favourite meals. It is so easy. One baking tray, 20 minutes, and you've got a delicious meal. It's called bread salad. Don't be put off by the name. In terms of reducing food wastage, when you've got a loaf of bread, any offcuts at the end or bits of bread that are going slightly stale, we've got this bag full of cubed bread that just sits in the freezer, and when you're ready for a bread salad, first up, chorizo. So the idea is you want all of the ingredients to be roughly the same size as each other, so everything kind of cooks at the same time. So next up, some halloumi. Next, cherry tomatoes, or these aromatherapy tomatoes from perfectionfresh. Any tomatoes that are relatively small, and they're just whole so they'll blister. Next up, some garlic. Tight little ones. Get all of them. I just like to crush them so they cook a bit quicker, because they're only going in for 20 minutes, and that is my favourite part of the bread salad. And salt and chili flakes. And I'm all about chili, so I go quite hard. Lastly, some olive oil, just to coat it all. You're going to get a fair bit of fat out of the chorizo and the cheese, but you don't want it to dry out. Lastly, just give it a good mix with your hands. That goes in the oven now for 20 minutes at 180. So that's been in the oven now for 20 minutes. I've just taken it out. I'm just going to chop up some parsley and some mint to give it a little bit of green. This on top. And now 1 lemon. Here we go. Bread salad. Reducing food wastage. There are over 1 million Australians who are struggling just to put food on the table. So ozharvest.org if you can help, because $1 will provide 2 meals for someone in need.